When people talk about drones, advanced aerial cinematography, consumer FPV gear, immersive 360-degree tech, and next-generation creative tools, DJI's name almost always comes first because they've shaped the entire drone industry for years with breakthrough engineering, smart flight systems, powerful image stabilization, and a reputation for reliability that creators, professionals, and enthusiasts trust worldwide. Yet one major category remained missing from their ecosystem: a true consumer-friendly 360 drone that offers full panoramic capture and dynamic FPV maneuverability in a single ultra-compact machine. But now that gap is finally closing because one of the most reliable FPV insiders, Igor Bogdanov, has essentially confirmed that DJI is developing what appears to be the Avata 360, a drone that blends FPV agility with full-sphere recording, signaling DJI's official entry into the 360 drone market and setting the stage for a new era of immersive aerial storytelling that blends cinematic visuals with spatial creativity in ways that previous consumer drones simply couldn't achieve. What makes this timing even more interesting is that the confirmation comes shortly after Insta360 stepped into the drone scene with their anti-gravity A1. And that move clearly pushed DJI to accelerate its own development because the Avata 360 feels like a direct competitive counter, almost like both brands have been watching each other silently and preparing for the moment when 360 drones would become mainstream. And now the competition is finally heating up as users, filmmakers, vloggers, adventure athletes, travel creators, and FPV pilots start looking for compact drones that offer total 360 reframing capabilities, full stabilization, ultra-wide capture, VR compatibility, and the ability to edit immersive clips directly for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Meta VR, and more. DJI has already built strong momentum in the 360 imaging world after launching their Osmo 360 camera, which shockingly captured nearly 40% of the entire market within weeks. A number that shows just how strong DJI's ecosystem already is when they enter a space with their software, color science, AI processing, and stabilization technology. And when you combine a 360 imaging system with the already proven Avata FPV series, it becomes obvious that a 360 drone is the logical evolution for DJI's lineup, meshing FPV-style movement with creative reframing flexibility. Early prototype images and internal leaks show a design very similar to the Avata 2, but with a dual-lens 360 optical module embedded into the upper frame, almost like they merged the Osmo 360 directly into the drone body, keeping that familiar cine whoop, prop-guarded structure that is perfect for tight indoor flights, narrow hallways, forest trails, urban exploration, and close proximity action shots where safety and agility matter. And the best part is that DJI seems determined to keep the weight under 250 grams, which is a massive advantage since it avoids registration requirements in many countries and lets creators fly instantly without paperwork or delays, something that casual users and travel vloggers absolutely love because portability and convenience are everything in modern content creation. Flight performance is expected to follow the same FPV system used in the Avata lineup, complete with DJI FPV goggles, low-latency transmission, high-precision stabilization, GPS-optional flight modes, motion controller compatibility, and advanced tuning options for experienced FPV pilots, while still offering accessible beginner modes for new users who want to enjoy cinematic FPV movement without the steep learning curve. When it comes to image quality, most sources predict 5.7K 360 recording at minimum, but many believe DJI may push it further to 8K full-sphere capture, especially since VR platforms and immersive editing software are rapidly shifting toward higher resolution standards, and DJI usually aims to future-proof their hardware for at least several years. With 360 capture, creators can reframe later in editing, choose any viewing angle after the flight, create tracking shots, rotate perspectives, generate hyper-smooth horizon-locked footage, and even repurpose a single flight into multiple different edits for YouTube, vertical shorts, cinematic widescreen projects, and interactive VR clips. And with DJI's legendary stabilization tech, whether that's Rocksteady, Horizons, Teddy, or new AI-based stabilization enhancements, the footage is expected to look incredibly smooth, cinematic, and immersive straight out of the drone. But what might truly separate the Avata 360 from other drones is the expanding use of AI across DJI's ecosystem. Early leaks mention integration with FlightHub 2.0 and potential AI-powered features like real-time obstacle detection, automated path prediction, smart horizon leveling, pilot assistance tools, and automatic 360 stitching that processes dual-lens footage inside the drone itself, drastically reducing editing time and making 360 drone filmmaking accessible even for beginners. If DJI manages to combine AI-powered flight intelligence with FPV agility and full 360 capture, the Avata 360 could easily become one of the simplest and most intuitive drones ever built for creators, letting them fly, capture, stitch, and export immersive videos without needing complex third-party software or long post-production workflows. Competition, however, is already becoming fierce. Insta360's anti-gravity A1 grabbed massive attention for its unusual form factor, creative mounting options, and small lightweight design, but DJI still holds a massive advantage in flight stability, FPV transmission quality, long-range reliability, and advanced safety technology. If DJI's 360 image quality matches or surpasses Insta360's, there's a strong chance that most FPV creators, travel vloggers, mountain bikers, snowboarders, urban explorers, and outdoor enthusiasts might gravitate toward the Avata 360 simply because it combines the familiar DJI flight feel with the editing flexibility of a 360 camera. Industry insiders estimate that DJI is targeting an early 2026 release, possibly lining up with the retail launch window of Insta360's anti-gravity A1 to directly compete on shelves. As for pricing, leaks suggest a base kit starting around $1,100, while a more advanced Pro or Enterprise bundle could reach $1,800 to $1,900, which makes sense considering DJI's pricing history for FPV-focused drones with high-end optical modules and next-gen stabilization. Nothing is officially confirmed by DJI yet, but the growing number of leaks, internal reports, and prototype sightings all point toward the Avata 360 becoming a real product very soon. And when you consider the recent success of the Osmo 360, plus the growing demand for immersive drone filmmaking, it seems realistic to expect that DJI will once again dominate this new niche just as strongly as they dominate standard camera drones. If they execute this properly, the Avata 360 could become the most accessible and creator-friendly 360 FPV drone ever made, lightweight, under 250 grams, AI-powered, stabilized, intuitive, and designed for full-sphere cinematic storytelling that blends FPV freedom with panoramic creativity. And based on the trajectory DJI has been following with devices like the Action 5 Pro, the Osmo 360, and their constant software improvements, there's a very real chance that this drone could be the next major leap for DJI's FPV ecosystem, reshaping what creators expect from immersive aerial content and opening the door to new styles of filmmaking that are only possible with a 360 FPV hybrid drone.